in hand on honeymoon street. You'll find the taste of love so sweet. We're gonna buck the trend that everybody else can lead. Keep walking on honeymoon street. Keep walking on honeymoon street.
Hi guys, it's Ross at FoodTravelMusicLove.com, inspiration from the heart.
You keep lying, I force my heart, then you start to crying. You keep taking, you keep freaking, I quell the flames and then you start another fight.
So I'm here today at the Villa Mentone in Shanklin. It's got beautiful views here.
I keep trying, I keep dying, I feel the flames, they always keep rising. Heart's hurting, forever yearning, but a feeling of your love once more, yeah.
Sadly they don't take coach bookings anymore. They do group bookings if you're like a large family, etc. Obviously couples, people like me who are staying on their chod. It's a fantastic place. The views are really nice, and relatively speaking compared to the other places, it's I would consider it certainly value-wise a budget hotel, but I don't think the interior and the services and the hospitality is budget. It's certainly above that, but it's a fantastic place. I paid £50 a night to stay here. That includes continental and full English breakfast, so you've got the whole caboodle. At the moment we're kind of still in the COVID times when I'm filming this, so they bring it all to you, table service. So today I went out and visited the Isle of Wight Bus Museum. It's a really good place that for nerds, geeks on buses, coaches. Now obviously my experience started off in the coach industry, so I liked a little bit of it, but I think my dad, for example, would be someone that would really love that sort of thing. They got a really nice shop at the end of it as well, with loads of like collectibles, and obviously all the buses and coaches that are there are really interesting to see. The oldest one I think was from 1934, you know, that's pretty old, and they're all from the Isle of Wight. All the buses I think were all, if not made here, they've all operated here, serviced here, and that's where their lives were, and their lives continue on even after their customer demise.
I'm lying down, eyes closed, inside of me feelings grow, open wide, eyes glow, feelings I could never show. And it's just because I'm unsure as to who I am. Just a man. It's not as if my life has turned out as I planned. Migraine, pounding heart, mobile, won't give up, fever, sailing in, breakdown, now begin. Maybe it's because I'm unsure who I am. Just a man. Surely this is not the way my life was planned. And I'm falling down somewhere between the clifftops and the violent sea. Same old me. The rocks become a pedestal for everywhere.
They were really up for groups as well. Someone will get on board, they will give you an introduction. If you're a group, if you're a coach arriving, they'll give you a little introduction to what they do there, and then you'll have like free time to have a little look round. It's completely free there. They do try and get you to get a little souvenir booklet, which you can do if you like. It's just under £5, or worst case, pop a donation in, get yourself something in a tea coffee shop. It's all volunteers there, so if you're going to do that sort of thing, I always think morally it's nice just to, unless it's a terrible attraction, then, you know, obviously by all means don't do it, but for that sort of thing, the Isle of Wight Bus Museum, it was really, really nice. So at least stick a couple of quid in a donation box and it helps to keep things ticking over there. Next we went on to the Isle of Wight Steam Railway. I really, really enjoyed that myself, and value for money wise it was fantastic. It was really, really good. You get yourself your own carriage, which I don't know if that's the case all the time, but certainly with COVID etc going on, you get your own carriage whether you're on your own or up to probably, I think they would seat about 6 people in there. So at the moment, with everything that's just gone on, 6 is about the maximum you're allowed anyway. Really, really great thing. This is a lovely thing to do, whether you're in a family, whether you're in a coach group, whether you're coming down as a couple, whether you're on your Tom like me, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go off and see the Needles. I've never been down there, so I'm going to try and get some good footage down there. I'm going to visit the House of Chilli. They might let me in, might let me film, but worst case I'm going to get a few samples and do a few of them, because they're world renowned, I think, for having some really hot chili sauces down there. They used to actually have a chili farm where they grown them on there and you could go around and see it, but I think they've cut that back a little bit, but that's alright, we'll go and see what they can do there. I was hoping to go and visit the garlic farm. Now they've had a bit of a knockback there. They don't seem to be too keen on having this in there, which is a bit of a shame because we're here to try and promote places. So I'm going to get in anyway. I might have to do a bit of filming outside, and I'm going to see kind of what's going on there, what the vibe is, because they do say that they accept groups on their website. They talk about coach bookings, and then they said to me that they don't do that. So, you know, on the whole, I want to be here and promote places, but at the same time I do want to try and highlight any kind of discrepancies that might be on websites and things for any group organisers that are out there. If Olivia was with me now, we'd probably be singing along to the Thomas tune. I'm not going to do it on my own, surely. Dun 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 dun. Right, so I did mention I was going to try and go to the garlic farm. It's quite popular here, and I think it's something that I went to personally a fair while ago, but I was a little bit frustrated with them, if I'm totally honest with you. On their website, they do promote groups. They say that there's certain facilities, etc. for groups. They've got a whole section on it. They also mention coach parties. They do say that the lanes are small, and I would agree with that. The lanes going down there are quite small. However, it's only half a mile from whichever direction until you get to a main road. However, when I contacted them, they made out as though they don't do group stuff, and they're not geared up for coaches, etc. So there's a little bit of misinformation there, you know, and I was keen to go along and see what they do, what they're about. The walk-through kind of garlic walk, if you like, looked as though it's quite pleasant, although there's no signage or anything apart from the very beginning, and they promote you to buy a souvenir guide, like a souvenir map, if you like. And I guess that's how these places make their money. It is a free attraction, to be fair. It's a free attraction. Based on the misinformation, based on the other facilities that are there, I think for a little tea or coffee stop, or if you're just stopping through and you happen to be going that way, whether you're a group or not and you can get your own way there, whether you're a coach and you manage to get a feeder service there, whichever way, I would possibly use it just for a short stop. I wouldn't suggest it to allocate any particular amount of your time there, but something I am going to do, and I like to do this, is try one of their little sauces. So we're going to get into this in a minute and see what this is all about. So, taking the sunnies off, it's quite bright, but I want to see what I'm eating here. This is hot garlic pickle. Now, I like anything that's hot, normally from chili heat, but I do like a little bit of garlic as well, so I thought I'd give them the benefit of the doubt. I wasn't that impressed with their customer service and their kind of misinformation. It's slightly misleading. May just be a one-off, so I don't like to completely judge places like that, because we're here to promote places, not to knock them. But having said that, we've got to give the information that we get, we've got to give it out there. Okay, I've got to admit, it does smell nice and pretty strong as well. Alright, here we go. To go for a fairly big old spoonful of this stuff here. I think it's probably ideal for like sausages, you know, not any cold or cooked meats, you know, hot or cold, or just on a plain rice cracker. Why not? Okay, that is pretty nice, I've got to say. Yeah, garlic kind of gets you in the nose and then the back of the throat. I think this works best actually with kind of blander food. So if you're going to have it, I mean possibly in like a hot dog or something like that, but you don't want it to be a particularly flavourful sausage, and that's why I'm having this on a plain cracker, because you want to really let that intense garlic flavour come through. Yeah, that's good, that. Really, really nice. So this was day 2 of our tour of the Isle of Wight itinerary. Today we visited the model village, we visited GODSHILL, the village itself, which was beautiful.
Walking on Honeymoon Street. Walking on Honeymoon Street. I don't know where my life went wrong, but you know that you made me stronger. I wanna hear your sweet, sweet song. You only made my heart grow fonder. So come and take a walk with me, hand in hand on honeymoon. of love feeling I'm on the ceiling. We're never gonna lose this honeymoon feeling. A pot of love feeling I'm on the ceiling. We're never gonna lose this honeymoon feeling. A pot of love feeling I'm on the ceiling. We're never gonna lose this honeymoon feeling. A pot of love feeling I'm on the ceiling. We're never gonna lose this walking on honeymoon street. Keep walking on honeymoon street. So come and take a walk with me.
Take a walk, take a walk, take a walk with me.
Hey, hand on honeymoon street.
I wanna hold your hand.
Find the taste of love so sweet. We're gonna buck the trend. We're gonna buck everybody else can leave.
Everybody else can
Keep walking
leave.
on honeymoon street.
Keep walking, yeah.
Keep walking on honeymoon street.
Keep walking, yeah.
Keep walking on honeymoon street.
Keep walking, yeah.
Keep walking on honeymoon street.
Keep walking with me.
FoodTravelMusicLove.com. Inspiration from the heart.
I'm living alone like a stranger in our home 'cause of you. You stole the fun from everything we've ever done. Conscience is a shadow telling you that you were the fool. It can't be wrong. I'm happier now you are gone.
Okay guys, so we're at the GODSHILL Model Village here. It's a lovely little place, brilliant for families, kids, groups. I like all this sort of thing. I think it's really clever. I'm not sure where it originated from, who the first person was that did this. I'll look it up and see if I can put it over the video. But this is a great place. I'd really recommend this for groups. I've just paid about £5.50 to get in. I've got a feeling group rates are just under £5, but I will put that on the website as well. So yeah, GODSHILL Model Village. Making me feel quite tall for a change.
My heart and I took my soul and you can never bleed, but I died in my own blood. We don't want to taste of just another wasted opportunity to be someone who's never been to me. How did I get you wrong? Why did I put up so long? I don't know where this new energy's from, but I know I will be strong. I didn't think that I would get through. I didn't think that I could win. Now I finally need to move on, and I can get the taste of love again. I didn't think that I would beat you. I didn't know it was a game. Now I find the strength to move on, and I can get the taste of love again. the clifftops and the violent sea. Same old me. The rocks become a pedestal for everywhere I've been. Could have been, and should have been. Somewhere between the clifftops and the crashing sea. Same old me. The rocks become a pedestal for everything I've seen. Could have seen, and should have seen.
Okay, so we're down here at the moment at the Needles Landmark Attraction. It's a great place this. I've just been on the chairlift, a little bit scary. I'm not really that good with heights. Beautiful down here though, it's so quiet. Really is nice and quiet. And hence why I'm laying out a bit like David Brent. Welcome to my humble abode.
Who I am, just a man. Not as if my life has turned out as I planned, and I'm falling down.
Somebody's hat down there. Hopefully there's no head underneath. Oh. These are all natural noises. Oh. Brilliant, smile for the camera. Oh Jesus, feel a bit more relaxed now. Yeah, because it's only a load of trees. Trees are cliffs, baby. I know which one I'd prefer. Nice little crazy golf area. Something for the families. Ground's getting a little bit nearer to the feet now. That's suiting me.
What would I do without your smile, drawing me in and kicking me out? Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all.
The best part of the day, I think, for me was the Needles Landmark Attraction. And I overcome a bit of a fear there, because you'll see that I went down a pretty high chairlift and I'm not a good one for heights. So that was a really enjoyable day. But for now, I'm going to sample a couple of the delicacies that I picked up today. You'll see that there was a passion fruit cider. Well, I don't think it's actually made from passion fruit, it's just full of passion apparently, so we'll wait and see. I'm staying on my own, so passion's pointless really. I've got the hottest chili sauce that the House of Chili had, which is a Psycho Juice Extreme, like ghost chili. There was also a lovely arson fire. That's 2 words, in case anyone's listening, arson fire, but you can work out what you want from that. There was a Roadhouse barbecue sauce, which they recommended. Not a big one for barbecue sauces, but I do like that obviously when cooking with meats. Apparently it goes with anything. And a rather unique chili peanut butter. So we'll wait and see how that turns out as well. So I'm going to crack into these. I think value for money wise, these are all pretty standard prices. The cider place doesn't have an online shop, but the House of Chilli does have an online shop, so you can get anything you want from the House of Chilli online, or better still, come along and visit it because it's a wonderful place. Now, £9 is the most I think I've ever spent on a bottle of any sort of sauce, but you know, I'm not going to be having it on my cornflakes, so I'm going to kind of be spreading it out. So £9 for a bottle, I think that's fair enough. Okay, so I'm going to try the passion juice cider. Let's see what this is like. Oh, that's really nice. Be better if it was really cold, served on ice. But yeah, I'll have some of that. 6% passion juice, medium sweet cider. So if that's your bag, it's certainly mine. And I'm hoping it might cool down some of these hot flavours coming up. Nice, nice, nice. Again, it's pretty bright in here, but I'm going to get rid of the sunnies so I can actually see what I'm eating. One plain rice cracker. Peanut butter. Ghost chilli peanut butter. Yeah, I'm sure that's something that everyone has every morning. Okay, it's smooth, so it's not like a crunchy one. Well, mind you, it's pretty crunchy inside. Let's see. Okay. It smells quite spicy. That, ladies and gents, is Ghost Chilli peanut butter on a rice cracker. That's really, really nice. Only a really, really slight undertone of chilli to it, considering it's ghost chilli, or my mouth is just too used to it. I'll let you decide. That's really, really pleasant. Okay, the chilli comes in at the end. I'm now tasting a little bit of chilli at the end. I'm going to do that again, see if it works the same second time round. Let's have a look. I'll tell you what, I would have that for my breakfast actually. I thought it'd be something that was just too savoury that you'd only have for lunch. But if you're used to a good chilli here every day anyway, having a little bit of that on a rice cracker or a nice bit of wholemeal toast, magic. So, that was the Ghost Chilli peanut butter, may contain nuts. Tastes good. Go for a fresh rice cracker. Don't really want to be mixing up peanut butter with my sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. I'm going to go for this now. Would normally have this on a rice cracker, to be honest, but I don't really want to just try it on my finger, and I don't happen to have a sausage with me at the moment. I've done this before already, just absolutely pours all over the place, so we'll have a look. Okay, oh, that's nice and thick, that. Probably say on the side, make sure you heat it up first. Oh, wow, that is strong. That's a unique barbecue flavour, that. Well, smell. Oh yeah, nice. That's really, really good. I've got to have another bit of that. It was £5.50 to be fair for a bottle of barbecue sauce. That is quite a lot. So I doubt I'll be inviting all the family around for this. Sweet, tangy, a slight kick of heat. It's not a particularly spicy one anyway, although it was at the House of Chilli. Yeah, really impressed with that. Barbecue sauce, Roadhouse style. So this one was from the GODSHILL cider shop. Now they said it actually was made in a vineyard here on the island. So because of that, and because I couldn't get to the chine, I wanted to go and visit the chine, I just didn't get a chance to go to it. I'm going to come back and do a kind of a second itinerary. There's so much more here to see, and I want to go and see where these beauties are made. And apparently you can go in and see it. It's at a vineyard. Strange combination, wine and chilies, but I ain't complaining. Brass and fire. I'll tell you soon. That is the nicest thing I've had yet. Really, really, really fresh. There's a lot of lime in there. You can tell it's full of lime. And now the burn is coming at the back of the throat. Yeah, that meets with my approval. I'll tell you that much, definitely. Another little bit of that. Yeah, love a bit of that. Smashing. So, with a little bit of fear, I'm about to try the Psycho Juice, which, when it's made in a place called the House of Chilli, is already going to be a bit hot in it. When it's the hottest one in the House of Chilli, then it's effectively a suicide. That is one of the hottest things I've ever smelt. I haven't even tasted it yet. Okay, if I'm honest, it doesn't actually smell that pleasant. I don't know why it would do, really. It's called Psycho Juice. I'm not sure I'm actually looking forward to this. Normally I look forward to spicy stuff. I'm gonna try and go for the tiniest. Don't pour out, please. Right, it's just coming out now. Whoa, that's gonna be ridiculous already. Actually got 999 written on the side. Fantastic. Eating it like a sandwich. It's the spiciest sauce in the world. Oh. Okay. Oh man. It's actually taking my voice away. That is seriously hot. Seriously hot. I'm not actually sure it's that nice tasting. Oh no, it's the first thing I've ever come up with. It's actually really not that nice. It's got a weird aftertaste to it. It's like it's literally been made from pure juiced chilies. £9 well spent. Brilliant. I won't be trying any more of that, but you know where it is if you want it. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm still struggling to talk and to breathe. Out of the House of Chilli ones, that peanut butter and the barbecue sauce were really, really good. The glasses are back on because my eyes are full of tears. The best thing out of all of it I had was the arson fire from the GODSHILL cider place. That was really good, so I'm looking forward to going to the vinery that does that. I'm going to go and check that out in a couple of months. It's been a really interesting couple of days. I hope you've got something from it as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be down there again for itinerary number 2, if I can get the words out. Ross, FoodTravelMusicLove.com, inspiration from the heart. Thanks.
Keep walking on honeymoon street. Keep walking with me. Walking on honeymoon street. I wanna be with you. Keep walking on honeymoon street.